Hi, this is Zach Mead from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Tuesday the 24th of May. Starting off with Bacanora Minerals, which finally seems to be making some progress up to that final series of dips below 70 pence for February over to April. Gap through the 200-day moving average for April, and with all the near-term moving averages rising and looking quite impressive, especially with this V-shaped bull flag resting on the 200-day moving average at 78.51 pence. The view at the moment is that at least while we're above the 10-day moving average, we should make quite swift progress up to the top of this rising trend channel from December at 100 pence over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Solid RSI support points above the neutral 50 in that latest rebound that we've seen over the past week as well. Next up, coal of Africa, which has been something of a difficult situation given the pullback from the initial May peak 5.46 pence, but this is a V-shaped bull flag resting on the 200-day moving average at 2.8 pence, and while above that, the expectation is for a retest of the May peak, especially after the rebound above RSI 50 that we had over the past week or so. So looking encouraging there. Next up, a stock which I know a lot of private investors are looking at the moment, or have been looking at the moment. Interesting triangle breakout that we've got here from November. 0.15 was the big level to break. Initial target here 0.2 pence, and really while above that, or if we break above that, heading towards as high as 0.27 pence, which would be the top of this rising November price channel. Stop loss back below the 50-day line, 0.12 pence for that. Any dips towards 1.15 in the interim regarded as a buying opportunity. Kefi Minerals is next, and here we've got this a nice bull flag, extended flag here. Could say it's a V-shaped bull flag resting on the 200-day moving average at 0.43 pence. That's the black line, just covered now by the 50-day average as well, 0.4365. Extended RSI uptrend line as well from October, which backs the idea of a breakout towards a penny over the next month or so. Any dips towards 0.5 pence currently regarded as a buying opportunity. Wishbone Gold has been a decent recovery situation over the course of this year. Bit of a slowdown over the course of May after that initial enthusiasm in the market, but support coming in there above 0.4 pence, which was previously resistance, and while we're above 0.4, one would be looking for further gains. The best case scenario target here as high as 1.5 pence, which is the top of that June rising trend channel, and the idea backed by the latest rebound off the neutral 50 level in the RSI window to leave it at 56. Finishing off with Waterman Group, with this, we're in the aftermath of this deep bear trap rebound from below former January support at 81 pence, gap to the upside through the 200-day moving average, and then the bull flag breakout above the 50-day moving average at 89.87 pence. View at the moment is that while we're above the 50-day moving average, we could see significant upside, perhaps as high as 115 to 120, which is that June resistance line projection, and looking very healthy as far as the technicals there, especially given the way that we reversed a gap to the upside in February and then reinstated that with the latest May gap. So up to 115, 120 on Waterman Group. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.